welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Priya Kirai and I'm a full-time cabin crew. So you all must be wondering I'm not posting any videos and it has been very long. I'm fumbling because it feels like I'm recording after so long and it is like that. However, I'm here. You all must be wondering why I have not done any makeup. So I'll tell you all about it. So the thing is that I came from Bangalore to Delhi back because of my base moment, and it was a voluntary moment because my house is in Delhi. Actually, it's in Gurgaon. So like I shifted back home and I wanted to operate flights from here itself. So I am back, but I'm going for a flight right now and I wanted to get ready. So I thought before going, let's just record how I do my makeup, how do I do my hair. Not hair but makeup, definitely I'll show you, and we'll talk along the video and I'll tell you everything. I'll just go put on my earrings and we'll start with the makeup. So I'll see you. Bye bye. Hi everybody, I'm back. So let's start the video. So this is glycolic bright serum for my under eyes. You know, we don't have a sleep schedule really, and this thing really works for it. So I just apply it a bit here and there. So the thing that I was saying that we'll be talking about is the base moment. My god, I loved Bangalore. I still love Bangalore so much, but then again I didn't like the people there. I mean, very few people only I liked. So I wanted to come back, and everything is better when you are at your place, I feel. So yeah. Oh yeah, I wanted to tell all of you, you all were asking me that, you know, what I did for my scar. See, it's still there. You must be able to see it now. Hi, I'm so sorry. My family came in, so I had to go. However, I was saying that you all were asking me what did I use for my scar. So being honest, it has been 2 years and it was a very prominent mark, but it has gone now. So first of all, it is because of time. 2 years down, बहुत चीज़ें लगाया, सब चला गया. But right now, this is not a collaboration and all, okay? Just very honest review. This is from Conscious Chemist, and this is some serum they have. I have recently started using it. This is my second bottle and it really is very nice. I really like it, and I think it's working for me. I'll go apply it and then come back, otherwise you all will think what the hell am I doing here. So I'll just be back. So I am back, and if you want the link for this product, please let me know. I'll get you this. But along with so I was saying, along with that, I apply this thing. This is for pigmentation and dark spot corrector serum. So like because of this pimple and all, I've got a lot of patches here, so I applied this also. It's a clear serum basically, and it's really nice. So I think you all can go and buy this. I'll send you the link. Okay, so in the last, I guess not last but second last video, I asked you all that I want to make a group, I want to communicate with all of you, you know, all of that, where I'll share the things and all. However, there's a little problem, and I'm making this video because I wanted your suggestion as well. I'll let this dry. So it was that I wanted to create a broadcast channel in where I can drop in all the messages and you all can just join, and you know, we can talk, because I get all the questions in here or you know in my DMs, and then I can make a video and answer it there. But because I don't have enough followers, so I am not eligible to make that. So I was thinking, where make the group? WhatsApp? I was not really sure because no, but I mean, I don't know. I want all of your suggestions. Please let me know where can we do that, and then from there we'll see. And because यही I wanted to say ना to all of you कि अभी क्या होता है, I have the knowledge, I have the, like for say Riyadh was hiring, Akasa is hiring right now, Indigo is always hiring. I want to tell that to you, but I don't have time to come and sit and make a video for it, okay? But if I have a group, I can drop an audio that, you know, this is there. I'll share the link with you and you guys can just go and see it from there. So give me your suggestions there. This is done. Uske baad we'll top it up with the moisturizer, which is this is from Minimalist. I'm fumbling a lot, you must be wondering, but ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने वापस से YouTube videos बनाना start किया है. Okay, moisturizer is on. Now for sunscreen, if you don't use sunscreen, please, I'll not tell you 1000 times you have to use. I mean, मैंने सब Aqualogica से खरीदा है and it is just I love their sunscreens. It's really nice. So please use sunscreen. It's very important. And जितना अगर आप लोग दिल्ली से हो तो इतना गर्मी पड़ रही है यहाँ पे, अगर आप अभी भी यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हो so your skin will go, it will die. Okay, sunscreen is on. You all can see the glow. So okay, now so I think you all should know it by now that skincare is very important. Skin prep is very important before diving right into the makeup. That you don't have a good canvas and you're just trying to paint in. So just take care of your skin. I'm not asking you to put a lot of products in there. Just do the CTM, okay? You cleanse your face really nice, then you put toner, you put a moisturizer, and then you lock it with sunscreen. And then always use primer. Primer is very important. I use it from Mars. This is Mars Gripping Primer. It's really nice. It actually makes your makeup very last. I mean, today I'm going to Guwahati, okay? So like my reporting is at 8. I'll come in the morning around 4. So this really stays there. So you all can get this one. Okay, so the primer is on. I know I'm going and I'm coming back, but it will take a lot of time if I'll stay here, put everything up and show you. So primer is done. Then I go with my foundation. My shade is 228 and this is from Maybelline Superstay. Very nice foundation. It has very, it's like not full coverage, but it gives you the thing. Okay, before going into this, I just wanted to tell you, if you have very prominent marks or dark spots on your face, or you have like dark circles, you can always go with orange color corrector, because I do that. Abhi to it is better, my this under eyes are better, but pehle बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया था, because पूरी रात I used to not sleep. It's still like that, but still अभी मैं थोड़ा सा try कर रही हूँ कि I sleep in. But अगर ऐसा होता है तो I'll show you that. Wait, this one I use. If you want to know, please let me know. I'll go and tell you that. I'll share the link with you. I'll go apply foundation and come back. Okay, I don't use sponge for it. I use this brush. If you want to know the link, if you want to know anything, just let me know, okay? Okay, so foundation is on. I use this concealer. Now I'm not telling names. If you want to know, just let me know. I'll attach the links into the description. Also, less is more. I'll just put it here to highlight my major points. I'll go blend it out and then we'll talk again. So I have done my concealer as well, and I lock it all with Mars banana powder. This really goes well with my skin tone and it's really nice. I mean, I really like this product. Okay, a lot of you were asking me what red lipstick I use, right? I have 2-3, and see, all the things that I use are company recommended because we're supposed to use that. And this one girl, she asked me that one of her friends, she told her that after getting selected, you're supposed to get very expensive makeup which will be around 10,000, 20,000. No, it's not like that, I'm telling you. I mean, they give you a PDF of all the recommended makeup which is allowed by the company, and it ranges, okay? It ranges from the cheapest to the most high-end brand. Depends on you which one you want to buy. So it's not necessary, you don't have to buy a very expensive product. That's totally fine. I'll just tell you which eyeshadow now I use. Hi, so I don't really use brush for my eye makeup because I just don't know, I can't use it. So I'm using this palette from Nykaa. It's really nice. We'll go with a lighter shade in the forward. इतना forward aft करने का आदत हो गया, I can't help it only. So I'll just put it in the very starting of my eye. Then we'll go with this color. And for us, we have free will. We can do anything really for our makeup, like for eye makeup and all. But it has to be like within the company standard. I mean, you can do anything, but then again, you have to follow the SOP. I'll just put eyeliner and I'll come back. Hi, I'm back. I know my makeup is done, but it's because I'm getting late, so I'll quickly show you. This is the Stays mascara which I have used. It's the first time I've used it, so I'll come back, watch it, and I'll let you know how is it. Any liner you can take. This is from Maybelline only, but I use a lot of liners because I love eyeliner. If I'm not doing any makeup, I just put my eyeliner on and I put my lipstick. There's that, and mascara also. These three things are my must. The red lip I am wearing today is from Nykaa. This is the shade Cool Cop. It's really nice. Really goes well with my uniform also. So I really do like it. My makeup is done. But let's end it with 2-3 things which I wanted to say to you. First one was about the group. आप please मुझे बताना how do you want me to make the group. If you want me to make it on WhatsApp, then I can do it. I mean, if there's no really option, then I'll go for it. But I would request all of you to please like this video, comment on this video, and if you want to know anything else, please let me know. The next video I'm planning to make is about the eligibility criteria of Air India, Indigo, Akasa, and I am thinking that I'll make 3 videos. So उसमें क्या होगा, help होगा आपको. It will be a long, extensive explanation वाला video. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go. Please follow me on Instagram because if I'll have followers, I'll be able to make that group because I'm not able to make it now. But I'll see you all around. Bye bye, lovies. Love you, Max. It was very nice to talk to you. See ya. Bye. Before going, I wanted to show you the makeup from Bit Pass se. देखो